What do we have? 25,630 on the Nifty, about 0.25% higher. The Nifty Bank is absolutely flat, nothing at all. The small cap index is up about 0.2%, and I think the mid cap index will come up on your screen, and you got about 0.17% gain as well. 60,223 or so on the mid cap index is what you have. 1,100 stocks are higher, about 600 stocks are lower. And that's a market open. Nifty 50 heat map gives you a quick sense of where things are landing, right at the word go, in the green zone or the red zone, mostly in the green zone. So BEL, Infosys, Mahindra on one side, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv on the other end of the spectrum. But bulk of what is starting in the green right now. The Nifty's accumulated about 40 points. This is, of course, the first 90 seconds of market open. Let's talk about stocks. Surabhi.
Okay, and then on stocks, we have to talk about Bajaj Finance. And if you're wondering what happened, what went so wrong, 6% down on the stock. Well, two things. Slight reduction in their AUM growth guidance. They've reduced it by 2 percentage points. That's one. But the other thing which the market has not seen across any lender this season, I mean, any large lender or mid-sized lender, is asset quality stress. And in Bajaj Finance's case, the gross NPA levels have moved up from around 1 odd to I think 1.2. We'll get the exact numbers once again with Gaurav in just a bit. The company has explained that this is because of a new method of calculation of NPA. But whatever it is, the markets are nervous about it right now. In fact, even Bajaj Finserv has fallen after that, 3.5% down on Bajaj Finserv as well. Britannia is the other casualty of the morning. 5% down. Clearly, the market's sort of uneasy about the manner in which Mr. Berry has left, literally gone in a day after a legacy of so many years. So that's weighing on Britannia. So those are the two big newsmakers of the morning. Now, let's see what else is happening on the Nifty. Since we're talking about the losers, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, these are some of the other stocks that have a little bit of red. Otherwise, the Nifty is fine. I mean, beyond these 3-4 big newsmaker names, there's not too much on the downside. On the upside, BEL 1% higher, Max Healthcare 1%. Some buying on M&M, some buying continuing on IT from yesterday, by the way. HCL Tech, TCS, Infosys, between 0.5% to about 1% on these stocks. So IT is still a bit of a support, as is Reliance and ITC, the big boys. Reliance is up 0.5%, ditto for ITC. But overall, all things put together, Nifty is very, very uneasy. It's just about 9 points up, and the Bank Nifty is now already slipping into negative territory. So beyond the Bajaj twins, keep an eye out on names like SBI and Kotak Mahindra Bank. All have a tinge of red on them. Nigel.
Well, a few stocks actually from the broader markets are calling for attention. Vikran Engineering, the numbers look quite good. Vivek had told us about that. That stock, in fact, is up and about. KEC, they are saying that they're sure that the second half of the year is going to be much better and the margins will improve, which have to come at the upper end for it to achieve that 8% that they're talking about. So that's another stock that's trading in the green, come off the top. Syrma was up close to around 2%. I think that as well has come off a little bit. Bazaar Style Retail, that's another stock. Syrma still holding with a 3% gain. Bazaar Style Retail, one of the top volume movers. It's moved into the red. It was up 3% just a few minutes ago. HEG continues to hold on to gains. Basically, it's it's the stock that's pulling back yesterday's losses. Was down 6% yesterday, pulling back 3% today. On the flip side, HLE Glasscoat, that stock is down more than 10%. The street clearly doesn't like those numbers. Stock getting slammed as we speak. You have Subros, that's another one that's getting hit in today's trading session. I think they had their call as well yesterday. Not Subex, Subros should come up for you. That stock, in fact, is down 5.5%. And transformers and rectifiers, for the second day, well, that stock is getting a bit of a knock. So fair bit of reactions, both on the positive and the negative terrain. Transformer and rectifiers now down close to around 10% as we speak. Sharp knock. And Ola Electric had that one-way move from 40 to 70. Guess what? It's at 43 yet again. So that one, in fact, has come in for some solid selling pressure. Translated Lighting, I think we were talking about it yesterday. It was weak, but that stock is popped up today. It's up close to around 4% or thereabouts.
Okay, more stocks as we go along, but you've got what? Markets now blinking red and green. The initial pop on the 40-50 point gain on the Nifty's been given back. We're at about 550 or so.